Okay, first air horn test. Oh my god. Okay, what's up guys? Welcome to the video. In this video, it was kind of confusing. The clips I got, like, if you don't really know what these tunnels are, it wouldn't really make any sense. So basically, last weekend I actually made a video going to these same tunnels. At the end of that video, I said to be continued. Prove that you're here, make a noise or do something to prove that you're here. So I thought I'd make a part 2 of exploring the tunnels. They're just dark tunnels, and so yeah, this is a video, check it out. Okay, we made it to the tunnels. Wait, let's see the taser again. Oh my god. Okay, we're going in. Say goodbye to the light. Okay, no turning back now. My light actually keeps turning off. My light's like running out of battery. When are we doing the air horn and taser in the tunnel? After this? Let's do it after this. Okay, we made it. We made it to light.
Oh damn, this is...
We got a 7-Eleven.
Try that.
Look at all this graffiti. We should do the spray horn right now.
Spray paint?
I mean, we should do the horn right now.
Yeah, do the horn,
do the taser first. Let's hear the taser. Oh, the echo. Okay, first air horn test. Oh my god. Oh, there's more light up there. Okay, taser in the dark. Oh my god. What the heck? Air horn, ready?
Oh shit.
Air horn in the dark. Oh my god. Oh my god. I hate me more. Why is the graffiti so sketchy in here?
I know, right?
It's so sketchy. Wait, which tunnel? Which tunnel do we go in?
You lean at the very right.
This one? Wait, there's like light over here. Who wants to go in there with me? What is this?
Oh, it's a fucking freeway, look!
Whoa! We're right by a freeway. Okay, let's go back in. My flashlight's dying. Look at this. My flashlight keeps dying. This tunnel's just creepy though, because there's no freaking graffiti. It's just, we don't see any light anywhere.
Look at how long it goes. Yeah.
Time to go back?
Yep. Yeah. So go to one.
Yeah, let's try the circle one.
Oh, yeah. Circle one? Nah, I'm not going for. Or just fucking full straight. Just straight. Satchel to YouTube. The camera.
2 people in the front. Wait, 2 people in the front, 2 people in the back. And actually at this part of the video, it got kind of confusing. You can't really tell what's going on unless you were there in real life. So basically this big, large square tunnel broke off into a smaller circular tunnel. And it was just pretty dark and scary. We didn't really know if there was going to be an end. So we eventually decided to turn back. But here's the footage from that. This isn't creepy at all. Look how it just keeps going straight.
And there's no graffiti.
Time to go back?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we're out of this creepy ass tunnel. Oh, it's so bright. Okay, that is pretty creepy.
Oh yeah, that.
That's really creepy. Okay, I'm gonna climb up here. Look at this view. We've almost made it back. Yes, we made it. We made it out of the tunnels. Okay, so that is the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe. I post Friday, Saturday, and Sunday every single week. Make sure you like the video. It helps a lot. And I will see you guys next video. And if you guys have any video ideas for me to do, or any suggestions for something we should do in a video, make sure you comment that down below, and I'll pretty much 100% do it. As long as you have a good idea for me to do, I'll do it. So yeah.